Welcome back to the channel. This video should be a little bit shorter. Recently it seems like they've been getting longer and longer. I haven't decided if that's good or bad yet. You guys let me know. But I got a new part in today. It's just a new spoiler. Nothing big. You can probably guess which one it is if you've been around for the past year on the channel, because I ordered one before and it didn't fit. It looked horrible, so I threw it away and got my money back. There's my factory one. I'm not really going to show an install or anything. It's really not that important of a part. It's more about the looks than how to do it. It's pretty straightforward. It's literally just two plastic pieces come off after you take the trunk liner out, and then you just take 4 bolts off, use a heat gun, peel it up, it pops off, there you go. Now you can see my gurney flap there, so I'm sure that a lot of you S197 fans probably already know what it is. If you're new, this is my 2012 Mustang GT, which goes with, well, my two Mustangs actually. I have this one, my 2012, and then my 03 this one's getting a lot of love lately, so I figured I'd give this one some more love again. And I found this spoiler for super cheap on eBay, of all places, which I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys like it. It's a GT500 style spoiler. It still needs painted, of course, but that's getting taken care of tomorrow, I believe. And I'll either go with black, or, well, actually I might just plastic dip it black. I don't know yet, I haven't decided. Either that, or I'm just going to get it match the body, which I would really prefer doing. But here it is. The fitment's actually like top notch. It's pretty much perfect for this car. I'm kind of blown away with the quality. As you can see, I mean, there's plenty of room there. It's not going to hurt anything that way. Looks great. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull the car out here so you guys can see it and I can see it a little bit better and see what it looks like from the back of the car, since I don't really have much room in there. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I'll show it to you once it's painted and everything too. Also, a little gurney flap literally is just a flimsy little piece of plastic with 3M tape on the back, which is alright. I mean, it's just for looks. Alright, let's get the car out. I think with some quad tips, this thing's gonna look great. I'm really liking it. It'll look better once it's an actual good paint. I was kind of worried about it because this is the 10 through 12 body style with plastic down here and not the cool taillights. So I was kind of nervous, but I actually like it. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to get one of these spoilers, I'll put a link down in the description where you can pick one up too for, I think it was like 85 bucks if I remember right. And then of course you have to paint it, which is, I mean, it's still cheaper than going through American Muscle for the $300 one that they paint. And, I mean, for 85 bucks, quality. I'm liking that. That's going to look good once it's painted. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy, and I'll see you.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. I'm talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track, no. Too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong, and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining. Getting close and I just been examining all the fake shit the game is repeating.
We should make him think we're filming his flyby shy and just like talk the whole time to the camera.
Here it comes. Do you hear it?
Wow.